Hey friends, Mr. Bowtie here. Are you one of those people that has a lot of tabs opened on their computer? Welcome to the club. But here's how you can manage them a lot better. It's called groups. So notice here I can come and click on the group and it will collapse all those tabs I have in that group. There we go, re-expands. Now to add a tab to a group or create a new group, all I need to do is come up and right click on the tab, come down to add tab to group. I can either add it to an existing group or create a new group. And so I'll just add a new group right here. I can give it a color, I'll say purple. And if I want to save that group, I can turn this little toggle switch on, and it will now save that group even though I close up Google Chrome and come back. That group should still be there for you. So now I have in purple, you see there's just one tab. I can click on it, open and expand. If I want to grab another tab and add it to that group, I can click, hold down, and drag a little bit to the left. You'll now see that purple line come around the tab, let go, and that tab is now part of the group. I can come over and grab a few more of these um, tabs and bring them into the group. Perfect. So now when I click on Nebo, it will now close or collapse all of those tabs. Click on Nebo again, all the tabs pop back open. Super easy way then to manage a lot of tabs. The other way to add a tab to a group is to, again, right click, add tab to group. I can just say, hey, add this to the Nebo tab. Boom, it's added. Collapse and reopen. Super easy. And when you're done, you're done.